In this video, we will discuss that how to convert a decimal number into other number system formats. Means, how will you convert a decimal number into binary number format? How to convert the decimal number into octal number system format and in the hexadecimal number system format. Okay. First of all, it is very important to know that how to distinguish among the numbers. That if we are writing a same number, then it is very important to specify its base also, because the base only tells you that to which number system the number belongs to. Okay, so here if we are writing 10 as the base, means this number belongs to decimal number system. If the base is 8, then this number belongs to octal number system, and if the base is 16, then that number belongs to hexadecimal number system. Okay, same way, of course, 75 we cannot write in binary number system format, but other number 1011, which contains only the 1 and 0, it is a binary number, but the same number we can write in hexadecimal number system format also, in octal and in decimal also. So it is very important to know that to which number system a particular number system belongs. Okay. Now, how to convert a decimal number into binary format? How to convert a decimal into octal format? And how to convert the decimal into hexadecimal format? Whenever the number given is in the decimal format and you have to convert it into binary or octal or hexadecimal or any other number system format, so what should you learn? What should you remember? That the required number system's base is what? Like we are taking the example 75, it is given decimal and I want to convert it into binary. So if the number given is decimal and you have to convert it into binary, that is with base 2, so divide that decimal number by the base of the required number system, that is 2. Same way, if the number system is 10 and you have to convert it into octal, so divide the given decimal number by 8. Same way, you have to divide the decimal number by 16 if you want to convert that decimal number into hexadecimal format. Understood? Now see how to do it. First of all, we are converting this value into binary number system. So 75 written in decimal number system format, and we are converting it into binary number system. So let's see how to do it. 75 is there, dividing it by 2. Here in the middle section we have to write the quotient, and in the right side we have to write the remainder. Okay, and we have to repeat the process until the quotient becomes 0. Like, see here, first of all 75 divided by 2, so it will become 2 3s are 6 and 2 7s are 14, and the remainder in this case will be 1. Okay, you can consider it as here also as I am doing, like we are dividing 75, so 2 3s are 6, 1 will be remainder, 2 7s are 14, so we have to work on this is the final quotient and this is the final remainder. Okay, in this way we have to write. Again the same, dividing by 2, 37. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, again the remainder will be 1. Same way 2 9s are 18, remainder will be 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder will be 1. And 2 2s are 4, remainder will be 0. Again 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 0. And then last 2, as 1 is not divisible by 2, so here in this case the quotient becomes 0 and the value itself becomes the remainder. Whenever the dividend is lesser than the divisor, so the quotient is 0 and the dividend itself is the remainder. Okay, so here as we have got in the question box 0, so the process is over. Now after getting the process over, what we have to do, we have to write all the values following bottom to top format. Means what? 75 given in decimal number system format, it is equal to 1001011 in the binary number system format. Same way we can convert the value 75, which is given in the decimal number system format, into octal number system format also. Like the same process will be there, but this time we will divide the value by 8. So here question remainder, and because we have to convert it into octal, so we will divide the number by 8. So it will become 8 9s are 72 and the remainder will be 3. Then 8 1s are 8, remainder will be 1. Then again 8, 1 is lesser than 8, means division is not possible, so question will be 1 and the remainder itself will be the number, that is 1. So we can say 75 in the decimal number system format, it is equal to 113 in the octal number system. Okay. Now let's discuss how to convert 75, which is given in decimal number format, into the hexadecimal number system format. See, again the same process will be there. In the middle wing we will write quotient, here we will write remainder, and this time we have to divide the number by 16. So let's see 16's table. 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, then 16 4s are 64. Okay, then 16 5s are 80 will be more, so 16 4s are 64, then the remainder will be 11. Now again dividing by 16, so 4 cannot be divisible by 16, so the quotient will be 0 and the remainder will be 4. Now see beta, 4 and this is 1 1. So as we have already discussed that in hexadecimal number system 0 to 9, then after that A, B, C, D, E and F alphabets are also used. So here A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Here we are getting the remainder as 11. It means this denotes B. So we can say in hexadecimal number system this particular remainder is B. Again the same approach will be there. We have to write the remainders in the bottom to top method. So we can say 75 given in decimal number system, it is equal to 4B in the hexadecimal number system. In this way you can convert any of the decimal value in the required number formats. It can be a binary number, it can be a octal number, or it can be a hexadecimal also. Okay, in this way you have to convert given values in the required format. Thank you.